This is called KGB or GPT. These gentlemen that I've placed on my couch all together have to guess whether or not the vehicles they're seeing on the screen were generated using ChatGPT or if they are an artifact of the Soviet Union. The photos we're going to be looking at are AI-generated photos where I may or may not have put a real car in the AI-generated photos. So, small disclaimer, there may be small little AI artifacts and things like that. Don't let that trip you up. Just go with your gut. There are going to be two cars. You have to guess whether or not one of them is generated via ChatGPT, both of them are, or if both of them are real.
Do you remember which ones are real? Is that why you had
That's why I had to grab my laptop
to check and see which ones are real?
I don't even remember. Go ahead.
Okay.
Screw you. Or GPT.
Yayas Nayo, Comrade Loganovich.
And what was it like watching the Berlin Wall fall?
Clearly that's where you stand up to get out of the bus or something. But, like, what is that for?
You obviously stand up in there.
Yayas Nayo.
KGB or GPT? Which one of these is real, if either of them, or are they both real?
Or are they both fake? I want to say they're both fake.
The one on the right, I think I've seen that one before. The one on the right is real. I'm pretty confident.
What about the one on the left? They're both taxis.
Why does the one on the left have two taxi signs? Is that an AI thing?
Again, try to ignore the AI artifacts.
That's a bit of a stretch for AI to make that many windows.
Russian. You just have no idea.
I'm gonna say they're both real. I'm gonna say they're both real.
I'm
both real.
What do you say, Jordan? Jordan's leaning towards both fake.
I think the one on the right looks way too flat. It's like the panels are made of Bakelite, which is something that the Soviets did.
You know what? I changed my mind.
What are you saying?
The one on the left is fake, and the one on the right is real.
Okay, what's telling you that?
A comment pointed out that Soviet vehicles only had mirrors on the left side until the late 80s.
That is true. Again,
it's a taxi.
This is an AI image, so
it could have just put one on.
Added one on because it's through.
Well, that's misleading then.
I understand that. I'm limited by the tools of my time. You can only contain the genius by the
All
era
right, then
she
I'll go
lives
back
in.
to my original. I'm locking it in. Both of them are real. Locking it in. Both are real.
I'm going to go with the one on the right is real, the one on the left is fake.
I'll give you guys both points. Jordan has it right. The one on the right is real. The one on the left is fake. You were correct. Yeah, you should have stuck to your guns.
Should have stuck to my
This
guns.
is a
Look how
Benite.
stupid that looks. Okay, look at the
experimental
front. They
taxi.
actually have the folding headlight cover.
But it's one headlight cover for two headlights.
Yeah, and you know that it was used once.
Like,
and
how many
just
headlight
left
covers do
there.
we have? We've got 50. Well, we have 100 cars. I got it.
Yeah, but the headlight cover was used
it's
once
also
and
it
just
looked
left
like
open.
It's all skewed.
So this was an experimental taxi. Yeah, there you go. With a sliding door and then rear-facing seats behind the driver.
Okay, the
sliding door
that
is
actually,
wild.
if anybody's ever seen that Schwarzenegger movie, he's on Mars, Total Recall. He's trying to get away from the bad guys in this car. They probably took it from the Russians and put it as a prop in the movie.
There is a survivor car that was found. I think that's the photos of this one. Yeah, there were a couple.
Yeah.
Next up.
That's rare. People don't often survive the Soviet.
KGB or GPT?
Those are both toys.
Now, keep in mind, this is to scale. It was really difficult to get this to scale.
Okay, so that one on the left is big. That's like a fire truck.
Is
that what it
a
is?
fire truck with a water tank in the back?
I don't see the jet engine on the one on the right.
No,
being
that's
something.
too.
Well,
out
the
there.
jet engine and then the air intake on the top.
Well, that was pretty common because that was their version of air conditioning, is they would have air flow in through the front.
We'll just stick a hole in the front of the vehicle.
Yeah, that's exactly it. They would just have a flap that would just push air in.
My car has that.
KGB or GPT? Which one of these is real, if either of them? Or are they both real?
Well, look at the windshield on the bigger one. It only has a wiper on two of them.
There's also 3 windshields.
Yeah, it's 3 windshields, but only 2 wipers.
The one on the right is too weird. It's a bridge too far.
I want to say the one on the right is fake. The one on the left is real, and it's an airport fire truck.
Okay. What tells you airport fire truck?
Well, the rear haunches. It was probably also used to move planes around. So they had, really large rear wheels for traction. So I think that's used on an airport. Plus, you've got the striped bumpers and the colors and the lights. So I see the fire truck. So I think it was used at an airport.
I'm saying they're both fake.
They're both fake. You're saying the one on the left is a fire truck or an like an airplane tug?
Yeah.
What about the one on the right, Dad? Is that one real or is that one fake?
I think that one's fake.
Fake. What do you think, Dad? Or Mason?
I have the same thing.
You think they're both fake?
No, I think fire truck's real. The jet car's fake.
Okay. Next slide. The one on the right is real.
No.
Whoa.
It's real.
I was so confident.
It's a JIS 112. Go to the next slide.
What?
The left one is real too.
Oh my god.
But what did I say?
Yeah, look how big those rear tires are. You're
Yeah.
exactly right. It's an aircraft tug.
Oh,
Way
wow.
to go,
Damn.
Dad. Holy cow.
Go to the next
nailed
slide.
it.
Look how big it is.
That's insane.
Huge. But why was it designed like that? Like it's unbelievable.
Why was anything
You
in
can't-
Russia designed like
But you
that?
can't possibly try
But
to make heads or tails of the
It wa-
Russians.
you know, you
Go to the
see
previous slide.
Form following function. It was the function that had no form.
So what's so strange about this is it's so large, but all of the other subsidiary elements like the grill and the headlights and the windows and stuff, they're all basically to scale. So it gives the impression like it's just a regular vehicle that's been essentially doubled in all dimensions, you know?
Yeah, they split it, added the window in the front to make it wider.
Yep. But you're exactly right, Dad. It's a Soviet aircraft tug.
I'm impressed with myself.
There you go.
That's like the best. That is the most accurate any of us have been on any of these at any point.
And
Well, he
I'm
grew up-
working at half brain power.
The Soviet Union was still a thing when he was
He was there.
KGB or GPT. Which one is
The one on the
real?
right looks like an Isuzu.
Yeah.
The one on the right,
typed-
the wheels are too big.
Yeah, he typed in "make me a Soviet RAV4" or something.
The one on the left is real. The one on the right is fake.
I agree.
Left is real, right is fake.
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay, next slide. The one on the left is real.
I see that as the Russian version of our Jeep.
That is a Gaz 73, M73. It is real. Next slide. One on the right's real too.
Oh, a concept car?
Yeah, so it's called the Luaz Proto. It was a concept in 1989,
I was gonna say-
I'm surprised you didn't own this.
and it looks exactly like a Soviet RAV4, but it is real.
But
89.
1989.
That's the very tail end of the Soviet Union.
yeah,
They were swinging for the fences.
this is making concept cars in '89 for them feels like mopping the galley when the ship is sinking.
Yeah, they're like the guys playing the violin on the Titanic.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm gonna design. Yeah, I'm a little loosey goosey with like Soviet block, but yeah,
Proto.
a proto.
That's kind of cool looking.
It is honestly kind of cool.